seconds till the enemy reaches the...
Riverlander knows who Qinglong is. I really like it when my sleeves wave like soft ripples.
Like a glove, and my eyes seal shut, and my mind feels numb. Get me for the things I say.
Believe it or not,
that you
legends.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Fucking know that it's all in my brain, but it's fucking true. I can't seem to escape from the pain.
An enemy has been slain.
Hey, have you heard about the tales of Qinglong?
Launch attack.
Anymore. I'm just gonna flip over and shake out the board. I feel like one day I'll regret this. I don't know how.
Some call it a trap? No, I don't think they are the same.
Initiate retreat.
Do you think Hayabusa will
An
like
enemy has been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Don't take this life for granted. You're lucky to have landed. I know you might be stranded. It's never how we planned it.
Still can't believe how I acquired these ancient powers.
Choose to just give in, or you can choose a new vision. It's never easy as it seems. Sometimes I feel like the world just wants me on my knees. Oh, oh, screaming out, begging please. Give me a sign, a light, fucking anything. But that's the beauty of it.
Umbrellas are not just for rainy days.
We would all just sit around with nothing to do, nothing to prove, nothing to lose, no reason to move.
Purify!
Slain an enemy. Killing spree.
There's a high that you like.
I hear Qinglong calling me.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Still can't believe how I acquired these ancient powers.
Launch mega kill. Launch attack.
Legends
Launch
say that
attack.
it may rain when Qinglong roars.
Slain an enemy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
An
and
enemy
make a
has been
statement.
slain.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gather on the turtle.
So passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who back it.
Gather on the turtle.
After it, I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. No reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious. If you do it my time, you're delirious. Mysterious because you hide behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'm always here. Get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free.
make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence. Dreams
Your
is
team
anonymous.
destroyed a
I'm not here to
turret.
save the day. That's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something not illogical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Think you're irresponsible, but you know it's possible. If you just believe, you could be
I
so
really like it when my sleeves wave like
I'll be brave one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient. Is a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Curious about my accent?
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever show up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Double kill. Gather up the turtle. Gather up the
Believe it or
turtle.
not, legends may be true.
Yeah.
Launch attack.
Any
know
Cadia Riverlander knows who Jinglong
Marvin's
is.
fine.
Purify.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's kind of hated. Claiming it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody else. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me.
Gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else and believe it or not, legends may be true. Grass and green on the other side. Enemies, and I gotta say goodbye.
Gather up the lord.
Some call it a dragon. No,
Team destroyed the turret. Request backup.
so now I gotta say goodbye. Umbrellas are not just for rainy days.
Oh, he's not ready. Your ally has slain. Initiate retreat. Ally has been
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finding, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around.